What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Halifax Bank. And Halifax is a UK bank, alright? And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, you want to search for Halifax login and click on where it says sign into online banking over here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. Over here, click on where it says register. Now once you click on register, over here, you want to enter your title over here, and then you want to enter your first name over here, and then you want to enter your last name over here, and over here you want to choose your date of birth over here real quick, just like this. And then if you live in UK, enter your UK postcode. If you don't, just click on I don't live. Over here, select the type of account you have and enter the information according to the type of account you have. Click on continue and an account under this information will be created. That's how you guys can do it. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.